Hello everyone. Today we are starting. Our topic is stereochemistry, and subtopic is a multiple chiral center. So we have already studied about the lots of compound in which one chiral center is there, and they have its own medicinal properties and some other properties is also. Due to this chirality and changing its chirality center or changing its configurations, they having its lots of importance. Okay. So today we are discussing about the multiple chiral center in glucose compounds. So first of all, we just have studied already about the one chiral center, and we are moving on the multiple chiral center. So with the help of the examples, we starting from the 4 carbon atom glucose, okay, 4 carbon atom carbohydrate, sorry. Then we are working on the 5 carbon atoms, and then we are studying about the glucose. So see what happened in case of the 4 carbon atoms glucose compounds. Today we are taking one example of the 3Os. Okay, here is a 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons atoms is here. So that one is OH, and that one is OH, and that one is OH. So guys, it's an example of 3Os. It's a 4 carbon atoms carbohydrate compounds in which we are studying about the 1, 2, 3, 4. At 3 and 2 is a chiral center. This is also chiral center, and that one is also a chiral center. So today we are going to study about the chirality at that center and what happens if you are going to flip it, or we are also talking about their mirror image. Okay, the which type of chiral compounds are generating. They are superimposable, non-superimposable, maybe they are diastereomer, maybe they are apimers. So the lots of importance are here, and then we are also studying about the applications of this higher glucose compounds in the presence of enzyme, that reaction is take place inside our body. Okay, so that is the example of the 3Os. So let's guys, we are taking the 3Os in a proper way. Just we are studying about the stereochemistry. So I'm just going to draw it's all 4 possible isomer, and we studying about their chiral center. Okay, so that is the first one. That is OH. This is double bond O. Okay, this one is H. Here we are just talking about the OH and H. Just we are denoting to the number of OH or H groups. Okay, then we are seeing this one is OH. This one is H. Here we are showing H is there. Then OH is there. You know here is a 2 chiral center. This is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3 and 4. So we are going to find out the configurations at the 3 and 2nd carbon atoms. The first number is here, second number is here, and third number is here. So we are working according to 1, 2, 3 is the anti-clockwise. But guys, here the H is the lowest priority group, it's towards the observer. So the configuration is totally inverted. So according to that, rotation is S, but generally here is R. Okay, at third position. Then we are talking about our next one is second positions configuration. So that is second carbon configuration is 1, and you know that is the aldehyde is 2, and this one is 3. So here we are working 1, 2, 3. But look at here, here's the highest priority group is toward the observer, and lowest priority group is away the observer. So its real configuration is R. So guys, so here we are talking about the 3Os. If we are talking about the D3Os, so it means its configuration at second and third point is RR, 2 chiral center is there. And just if you are taking its mirror image, अब आप इसकी क्या करेंगे, mirror image की बात करते हैं. Then we are going to draw its mirror image. So what happened? So that one is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is double bond O guys. That one is H. And you know that here is OH toward the observer, OH, and here is H is away from the observer, and above side the hydrogen is towards the observer, and here the OH is away from the observer, and here we have O and H. So that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we are going to find out the configurations of the second and 3 carbon atoms, second and 3. So we are giving the number. First of all, we find out the second. देखते हैं कि क्या same configurations allot होता है या नहीं. That one is 1, that one is 2, that one is 3. So we are working according to 1, 2, 3. So guys, here the highest priority group is toward the observer and lowest priority group is away from the observer. So its configuration is real configuration is not inverting due to this highest priority group towards the observer. So at the second position here the configuration is R, but here is S. So 2S. Okay, there is a 2S. Generally we are writing here 2R and 3 also R. So here then we are going to find out the configurations at which position? Third positions. So giving the priority to OH. Then we are giving the priority to this one, then again this one. So we are working 1, 2 and 3. At third positions, according to this rotations, is clockwise is R configurations, but here the lowest priority group is toward the observer, so its configuration is inverting here. So it's 3 R. Again we are going to check. That one is 1. That carbons have OH, so this is 2. This one is 3. So according to this one is R, but lowest priority group is toward the observer, so that is 3S. So see, here all the configurations are changing. At the left hand side, in D3Os, 2R to 3R positions, 3 and second chiral carbon having the 2 configuration RR, but its mirror image giving you a SS is totally opposing to its configuration. इसका मतलब जो भी आपके enantiomers होते हैं उनकी mirror image क्या होती है, उनका opposite configuration show करती हैं. It is a shortcut of the stereochemistry, but sometime then what we are doing is then we are going to invert flip. What we are doing flipping. यहाँ पे flip करते हैं किस कार्बन को, केवल एक कार्बन को flip करा जाएगा सेकंड वाले, और इस कंपाउंड्स को बाकी का जो टेल्स है उसको आप ऐसे का ऐसे ही रहने देते हैं. Then we are going to flip. So see guys, flip करने में क्या होगा generally, if you are going to flip this compound, that is OH to remain as well as same, and that one is H. Okay, and what we are doing, this aldehyde group is also remain as well as same. Due to this flipping, the OH is going backside and hydrogen is moving toward this. अब मैं इसको अलग कलर से दिखा दूं. The OH is moving backside and hydrogen is moving forward. यहाँ पे hydrogen कहाँ आ गया आपका forwards और OH कहाँ आ गया आपका backside. Then we are going to find out its electronic its configurations, its general configuration. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the second we are giving number 1, 2, 3. So it's rotating like 1, 2, 3. So second positions में जो configurations आया कार्बन का वो क्या है R, but due to the lowest priority group is toward the observer, its configuration is 2S. Okay, और यहाँ पे क्या था, R था. Then same as well as we are going to find out the configuration of third carbon atoms, we are giving the first number to that carbon atom, second number to that one, and third number to that one. So we are working 1, 2 and 3. But its lowest priority group is away from the observer, so its configuration is 3R. So here guys, they both are differentiate on the behalf of second carbon atom configurations. So ऐसे compounds and they both are non-superimposable and mirror image, so they both are enantiomer. तो ये एक दूसरे के क्या हैं, enantiomers हैं. But what happened due to this flipping, they both are non-superimposable हैं, and at the second position the arrangement and alignment of this OH and H is totally different. As well as if the both isomers are differentiating on the behalf of configuration at one point, not all. अगर दोनों आइसोमर्स को किसी एक पॉइंट पे कॉन्फ़िगरेशन चेंज हो जाए अदर पॉइंट को छोड़कर, तो भी वो क्या कहा जाता है, डाइस्टीरियोमर. सो दे बोथ आर डाइस्टीरियोमर्स. इसको आप क्या कहेंगे, डाइस्टीरियोमर्स कहेंगे. सो दे बोथ आर, दिस वन इज A and B. A and B are enantiomer. A, B and this one is C. A and C are distereomer. Then we are going to draw its mirror image. अब इसी का mirror image यहाँ पे आप क्या करें, draw कर दें. So this one is to be like this. One, okay. This one is guys OH. Okay, that one is OH is that one is H is here. That generally we are showing to this OH दिखा दीजिए. That is OH and that one is H. Okay. Then what we are doing, the next one is hydrogen is toward the observer, that is H, and that one is OH. Okay, the nearest to that carbon address in double bond O or H. So that is carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3 and carbon number 4. And C, अगर ये दोनों एक दूसरे की mirror images हैं, so what we are doing, if they both are mirror image of each other, at that time their configurations are totally changing. So at the second position we are giving number 1 to OH, 2 and 3. It's rotating 1, 2 and 3. तो सेकंड पोजीशंस पे जो कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस निकल कर आया वो क्या होना चाहिए S, बस लोएस्ट प्रायोरिटी ग्रुप क्या है टुवर्ड्स द ऑब्जर्वर है, तो ये क्या होगा R, जबकि यहाँ पे सेकंड पे क्या है S. Then we are going to find out the configurations at the third carbon atoms, that is 1. Okay, the next one we are talking about, that is 2. Then we are talking about 3. So that is 1, 2 and 3. This is according to the clockwise, so that is 3R, but here the lowest priority group toward the observer, so that is 3S. So they both are what? Enantiomer. But if you are comparing, this is D. अगर हम B और D के बीच में comparisons करते हैं, तो यहाँ पे भी second positions पे ये क्या है 3S 2R, 3S 2R, 3S 3S are same, but they both are differentiated on the behalf of a particular point configuration. ये एक particular carbon के configuration से differentiate होते हैं, means they both are also a distereomers. क्या हैं डाइस्टेरियोमर्स हैं, और ये दोनों क्या है एनांटियोमर, दे बोथ आर एनांटियोमर बट दे बोथ आर डाइस्टेरियोमर बट दे बोथ आर डाइस्टेरियोमर. और अगर आप A और B का कंपैरिजन किससे करेंगे C से, तो A और B का कंपैरिजन C से करने पर B ये क्या है डाइस्टेरियोमर्स है, एंड हियर D इज आल्सो डाइस्टेरियोमर फॉर द B and A. Okay, so that is the relation. If you are going of flipping, causing flipping and drawing this mirror image, so we are easily identify the configuration of the mirror image with the help of the previous molecule. If the previous molecule have RR configuration at 2 chiral center, it means this mirror image always giving you opposite configurations. But what happen in case of these diastereomer, आपने देखा कि in case of enantiomer जो दो configurations होते हैं वो totally oppose हो जाते हैं, that is RR SS. But what happen in case of the diastereomer, डाइस्टेरियोमर में केवल एक पॉइंट पे ही कॉन्फ़िगरेशन का डिफरेंशिएशन होता है, जैसे हियर 2R, okay 3R, here also 3R, but they both are differentiated on the behalf of 2 points. Here is 2R, here is 2S. So what does it mean? The enantiomer, in case of the enantiomers, the configuration is totally opposed. RR, so here is a SS. But what happened in case of the diastereomer? In case of the diastereomer, they both have all configurations are same but differentiate on the behalf of a one configuration. सारा configuration point same रहेगा, but ये एक दूसरे से कैसे different होंगे, एक point के base पे, जैसे ये था, here is a 3S, 3S is same but differentiate on the behalf only one chiral atoms, that is 2R and 2S, which means they both are diastereomers. So that is the relation in between the multiple chiral center. ये multiple chiral center का क्या है, एक relations है. So हमें एक compound पे कितने सारे configurations देखने को मिले, जो D3O compound था, we are observing here RR, SS, SR and SR. So such type of configurations we are going to observe here. हमने इतने सारे configurations क्या करें, observe करें in case of the multiple chiral center. So that is the definitions of the multiple chiral center. ये क्या है आपका multiple chiral centers का एक examples है. So with the help of these examples, we are going to study about the multiple chiral center in the given compounds. So okay, so then we are taking the another, with that we are going to increase one more carbon atom. अब आप देखिए हम एक और कार्बन एटम इंक्रीज करने जा रहे हैं, एक पेंटोज शुगर हम लेंगे, the name of that sugar is arbutinose. Then we are going to observe the stereochemistry or multiple center chirality in case of the arbutinose. Generally the arbutinose, D-arbutinose you say, okay, हम यहाँ पे D-arbutinose का examples लेते हैं. In D-arbutinose having the 5 carbon, that is O and H. This one is OH, that one is also OH, that one is OH, and this one is, then again we are taking one more OH is here. Okay, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is, that is the examples of the arbutinose. ये किसका examples है आपका, generally arbutinose का examples है. So then we are going to study about in case of the Arduinos and finding out its configuration. So see, find out first of all the chiral center. Here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is a one chiral center, chiral carbon. That is another chiral center, chiral carbon. That is another chiral center, chiral carbon. So it means these compound having how many stereogenic center? 1, 2, 3. जैसे जैसे ग्लूकोज के मॉलिक्यूल्स में या फैमिलीज में नंबर ऑफ कार्बन्स बढ़ते हैं, chiral center के बढ़ने की प्रोबेबिलिटी भी इंक्रीज हो जाती है. So here the lots of configurations are arising. इनमें कॉन्फ़िगरेशन के कैसे चांसेस हैं? R हो सकता है, पॉसिबिलिटी है तीनों की. हो सकता है R S भी पॉसिबल हो. इट इज R भी पॉसिबल हो और R S भी पॉसिबल हो. अगर ये चार पॉसिबल्स हैं तो इनका अपोजिट भी पॉसिबल होगा. लाइक टू बी R S भी पॉसिबल है. ओके, S R पॉसिबल है, S पॉसिबल है और S R पॉसिबल है. So such type of possibilities are here. How many possibility? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are not going to draw all the diagrams, but showing you some configuration and giving you one new terms from here, apimers. Okay, apimers is also a form of diastereomers. So we are going to draw is RR and SS configurations. Then I am showing you is diastemeric forms also. So see, then we are going to draw its diagrams. तो अब देखिए इसका हम डायग्राम एक ड्रॉ करते हैं. Then we are going to draw its diagram. The first one is it's a 5 carbon atom sugars, Arduinos. It's a very important sugar for us. OH. That is OH. That one is OH and that one is OH. So see guys, we are assigning the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 carbon atoms. Then we are going to find out its electronic configurations. Okay, यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे फिर इसका configurations find out करेंगे, not electronic. It's general configurations. So we are going to find out the configurations of that chiral carbon atom. इस chiral carbon का करते हैं. So here we are giving number 1 to oxygen, number 2 to aldehyde, and number 3 to this alcohol. So it is working according to the 1, 2, 3. So guys, here the highest priority group is toward the observer. So its configuration is R. It is 2R. Okay, at the same case we are assigning the configurations of these 3. Here we are giving 1 and then we are giving 2. अब यहाँ पे जाएंगे तो ये ज़्यादा priority वाला होगा that side. This is 2 and this one is 3. This is working according 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 है, but see the highest priority group is away from the observer. So at third position is also 3R. Then we are going to find out the last but not least the configuration of 4 carbon atom. It is a 1. Okay, the another one is carbon, but this carbon contain OH and we are giving to 2 and we are giving to 3. So here we are working 1, 2, 3 and here highest priority group is towards the observer, so its configuration is also 4R. So here is R and R configurations. ये क्या था आपका एक examples था R configurations का. Then we are going to find out the another configurations of the given compounds in which we are going to find out is the other configuration. अब इसका other config ये है आपका D. just is examples of this Arduinos. ये Arduinos का examples है R का. अब हम find out करेंगे SSS का. See in case of the SSS, that is H. Similarly we are going to draw its diagram. This is OH. Here we are just opposing their orientation. OH and here is also OH. Then we are providing a number. Okay. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is an example. Then we are going to find out. This is 1, 2, 3. It's working 1, 2, 3. It's R, but generally the highest priority group is away from the observer. So that is S. It's a 2S. And same as well as 3. We are in the 3 point. We are going to find out. It's 1. That part is 2, and that part is 3. So it's working 1, 2, 3. And here the highest priority group is toward the observer. So its configuration remain as well as same, not inverting. So it is 3S. Then we are going to find out at 4 points. The 4 point, this is 1, that one is 2, okay, that one is 3, So here we are working 1, 2, 3. But see here, the lowest priority group is away the observer. So here is 4s. So S. So this configuration is S if we are inverting the different function group positions. So see guys, that is our examples of the Arduinos. These are known as it means they both have the opposite configuration. So that is the best example of the enantiomers. ये हो सकता है क्या हो एक दूसरे का enantiomers का examples के केस में जा सकता है. And then we are going to draw it's the another diagrams. The another diagram is showing you some other things. Okay, diastereomeric diagrams we are drawing. So in case of the diastereomeric diagrams, we are going to draw its diastereomers. Actually diagram is same, but we need to change its configuration. अब इसका diastereo ये तो आपका enantiomeric diagrams थे. अब we are going to draw its diastereomeric diagrams. That is double bond O 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that is OH. Here we are going to the same diagrams, previous one OH. That is OH. That is OH. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you know हमने इसको find out किया था पहले. That's 2 भी also R and 3 is also R and 4 is also R. Okay, without wasting time. So then we are going to draw is another form, diastereomeric form. We are going to change its configurations. This one is remain same. Okay, this one is remain same. Then here we are changing its configuration. That is OH. Here we are changing the configurations of third one is also that is OH and that one is OH. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are just going to find out its configuration. And this is 1, 2, just using the different chalks. That is okay. We are using for 1. This is 2 and this one is 3. So we are working 1, 2, 3. But look at guys here, the highest priority group is away from the observer. So its configurations at 2 we are getting S. Okay. The next one is OH is here. Okay. In OH, so we are giving 1, we are giving 2 here and 3 here. So it's working 1, 2 and 3. So here we are getting what? 1, 2 and 3. So, but highest priority group is toward the observer, so that is remain as well as same 3S. Then we are going to find out the last configuration, that is 1. Okay, that is 2, that one is 3. So we are working according to 1, 2, 3. So that is what happened. It's rotating clockwise in highest priority group toward the observer, so that is 4R. So that is the difference in between their electronic configurations. So what we are getting is SSR and RRR in case of first one. So see guys, what happened? There is a 6 diastereomer of RRR. To draw them, we just invert the configuration least 1, but not all. 3 of chiral center. Let invert the configuration of chiral center 1, 2, but the chiral center 3 unchanged. So that is known as a diastereomer. तो यहाँ पे आपका क्या रहा कि ये configurations यहाँ पे क्या रहा 2R 2S 2S 3S ये configurations तो आपके change हुए. Okay, but we are not able to change the configuration of carbon number 4. The configuration of carbon number 4 is same. So such type of compounds, they are just differentiating on the behalf of a particular point. These are known as the diastereomers. इनको आप क्या कहते हैं? Diastereomers भी कहते हैं. और इनके लिए एक another definitions भी हम pronounce करते हैं. So what is the another definition? The one more definition at this point is the diastereomers which differ at point a single chiral center are called epimer. जो points एक single chiral atoms के point के behalf पे differentiate हो सकते हैं, उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं आपका? Generally they are known as the epimers. They are known as the epimers. इनको आप epimers भी बोलते हैं क्योंकि जो chiral center 4 है वहां पे इनका configurations क्या है? Same, but 2R और generally आपका 2R 3R or 2S 3S they showing opposite. But the 4R is the same in both compounds, so they both are differentiating at a 4th chiral atoms carbon atoms, so they are also known as the aptamers. So these are the examples of the arbinos. Okay, so here we have drawn the enantiomers also and their aptamers also. Then we are going to increase one more number here. Then we are using a very important compound, is generally known as the glucose. You know the importance of the glucose. The glucose is an important part of the Krebs cycles. First of all, the glycogenolysis take place. Glycolysis take place in the form of glycolysis cycle, in which the glucose is converting into pyruvate. Okay, so the different types of isomerase reactions take place. The glucose is decomposed into glucose biphosphate, 1,3-diphosphate, then another one. At last they are converting into pyruvate, and pyruvate entering inside the Krebs cycle. So here we are talking about the D-glucose. And you know the glucose having 6 carbon atoms, so we are going to draw it 6. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is OH. Generally the structure of the glucose is like to be this: D-glucose, OH, 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 that one is OH. So these are, they having how many chiral carbons? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chiral carbons. So how many isomers are possible? So how many isomers are possible? So we are going to find out the isomer on the behalf of the number of chiral center. तो chiral center के behalf पे इस पे हम क्या करते हैं, आपका find out करते हैं chiral compound. So we are generally using n square rules. So n square means n, just n, 2n rules. Sorry, 2n rules. Generally 2n rule says, so n is a number of chiral carbons. So we are using 2 to the power 4 and we are getting 16. 16 isomers are possible, in which one is enantiomer, the other 14s are generally diastereomer. जो बाकी के 14s होंगे वो क्या होंगे, आपके diastereomer forms में generate होंगे. So these are the examples of the glucose, and here we are going to find out its configuration at each and every point, as well as we are going to change its diagram is also. Okay, we are changing the configurations at the different points. Then see, we are going to find out that is a D-glucose. ये D-glucose है, इसका configurations find out करते हैं multiple carbons का. So for first carbon atom, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. Generally 4 chiral carbon is there. So that is 1, this is 2, and this one is 3. So it's rotating to be 1, 2, 3. The highest priority group is toward the observer, so its configuration is R. And here is also the 1, then here is 2, then here is 3. So that is 1, 2, and 3. Its positions, the OH is here, OH is here, OH is here. Then the 1, 1, that is 2, that is 3. So it is moving like to be this one. It is S. And here we are going to find out its configurations. Here we are giving number 1. Here OH, here OH. Here carbons, here carbon. This carbon having OH, so we are giving to the second number this carbon 2, and here this 3. So it's working 1, 2, 3. So third position having R configuration. Then we are going to find out the configuration of 4. And we are giving number 1 to this one, number 2 to this one, number 3. It's working 1, 2, 3. But guys, here the highest priority group is away from the observer, so its configuration is R. So its configuration is RSRR. So that is the example of the D-glucose. Then if you are going to change its configurations, अगर इसका configurations जरा change करें, that one is H. This is OH 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The double bond will remain as well as same. Okay. So हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, इसकी configuration changes को देखेंगे. Here we are going to change the configuration as 2, 3 and 4 positions. बाकी का सबका first का रहने दीजिए. 2, 3, 4 positions का configuration हम इसका change करेंगे. That one is OH, that one is OH, and that one is. Then we are going to find out its configuration is the D-glucose. It's the example of the D-glucose. That is another example. So यहाँ पे क्या है? ये दोनों ही एक दूसरे के जनरली किस फॉर्म में चले जाएंगे, डायस्टेरियो फॉर्म्स में। चलो देखते हैं। वी आर गिविंग फर्स्ट नंबर हियर 2 and 3, so it's 1 2 and 3, its configuration is R. But see guys, here in case of this OH 1 we are giving 2 and we are giving 2 3, so it is 1 2 and 3 होना चाहिए इसको S, but ये होगा क्या R, because highest priority group is away from the observer, that is R. Here also 1, here is 2, here is 3, so it's working 1 2 3 होना चाहिए R, but होगा क्या S होगा आपका। okay, the next one is this is 1, that is 2 and that one is 3, so it is 1 2 and 3 होना चाहिए S, और ये भी क्या होगा R. See, this one is R, okay, this one is S, but there is R, this one is S and there is R. So these are the two type of compound when we are changing its configuration. The one is a glucose and the another one is a glucose. So what they are, their alignment of the OH, OH and OH is totally different. Okay, they have same structural formula, but their alignment is totally different, so they both are distereo. तो ये क्या हो गया आपके distereomers. So they are diastereomers of each other in case of the glucose. तो ये ग्लूकोज के बिहाफ में क्या हैं, एक दूसरे के डाइस्टीरियोमर्स हैं। अब इनके एपीमर्स देख लेते हैं। देन वी आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ इट्स एपीमर्स। Then we are going to draw its apimers. That is double bond O, H, OH, OH, OH. Okay. Then we are going to draw its apimers. So that again other one is and this one is OH. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so that is the compounds. Here we are going to draw its apimers. इसके apimers को draw करना है, तो apimers draw करने के लिए इसको भी आप dark line से show कर सकते हैं। Then we are going to draw the another compounds of the same one. Double bonds O, OH. This is OH. Here we are changing its alignment. OH. That is OH. So both are examples of the D-glucose. But here the guys, the alignment is totally different. तो alignment देखकर तो आप यही बोल सकते हैं they both are diastereomer of each other. Then we see they are apimers or not. Here the alignment, then we giving to its find out its configuration. That is 1 2 3. So it is 1 2 3. It's R. The next one is 1 2 3. 1 2 3 S. That is 1 2 3. So that is 1 2 3 R. Here is 1 2 3. That is 1 2 3 होना चाहिए S, but होगा R. Then we are find out its configurations. That is 1 2 3. This is R, but not it is S, because here highest priority group is always 2 away from the observer. So here we are doing 1 2 3. That is 1 2 3. So it is S. Okay. Here we are going 1 2 3. That is 1 2 3. It is R. Here 1 2 3. So 1 2 3. It is S, but that is R. See, they are differentiate. They are S. R, S are same, but they both are differentiate on the behalf of one point. All chiral centers की configuration same हो, but ये एक दूसरे से अगर एक chiral center के behalf पे configuration के behalf पे different हो, so due to they are differentiate on the behalf of one chiral center, they are known as the apimers. ये क्या कहलाएंगे आपके apimers कहलाते हैं. So they both are apimers of this compound. तो ये क्या हैं, एक दूसरे के apimers होते हैं. Okay, then we are just going to working on its applications. अब see the last is apimers. ये chiral center के examples हैं. These are the apimers. अब हम इनके apimers draw करने के बाद इसके applications पढ़ेंगे. So see how does they are changing their configuration. We are working on these applications part of the multiple chiral center. We are using here working on a compounds. यहाँ पे compounds मैं आपका ले रहा हूँ, that is OH, double bond O, generally this is generally OH, and the next one is O, P double bond O negative, that is O negative. Here we are drawing it like a structure OH. This is known as the ribulose 5-phosphate. Okay, that is ribulose 5-phosphate, and we know it is participating in chemical reaction in Krebs cycle. ये ribulose 5-phosphate है. Okay, so that is the examples of the ribulose 5-phosphate. Then we are giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 पे phosphate जुड़ा है. That is a very important, and that reaction is take place in the presence of epimerase. So ये reaction किसकी presence में होती है? epimerase की presence में चलती है. So in the presence of the epimerase, they changing their chiral center. Multiple chiral center में से एक chiral center क्या हो जाता है? Change. और अभी आपको बताया था, if they both compounds are differentiate on the behalf of only one chiral center is known as the epimer. That is a biological reaction. ये क्या है? एक biological applications का examples है. Okay, जो हमारी body में चलती है. So they giving you which type of compounds? They giving you O, P double bond O negative, that is OH. This is double bond O, and जरा ये देखिए, that is also O. केवल ये चेंज हुआ. पहले ये कहाँ था? Away the observer. अब ये कहाँ है? पहले ये था towards the observer, and that time it is away from the observer. तो इसका configuration पहले देखिए क्या था? 1, 2, 3. Its configuration is R here, but here is configuration 1, 2, 3. It is away from the observer, so its configuration is S. So its name is xylulose 5-phosphate. तो देखिए पूरा कंपाउंड कैसे चेंज हो गया. राइबोस से किसमें चेंज हो गया? xylulose में, बट ओनली केवल एक पॉइंट के बिहाफ पे एट पॉइंट नंबर 1, 2, 3. जो थर्ड कायरल 1, 2, 3 कायरल सेंटर था उसके बिहाफ पे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सभी आपका कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस तो सेम है, बट एक 3 नंबर कायरल कार्बन की कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस की डिफरेंशिएशन के बिहाफ पे दे बोथ आर फ्रॉम epimers in the presence of epimerase enzyme. So that is the applications of the multiple chiral center inside our body and helping to the interconvergence of one important compound into the another important compound. So here the ribulose 5-phosphate is converting into the xylulose 5-phosphate, but on the behalf of only one chiral atom. So these are the biological applications of the multiple chiral compound. If they are same chiral center, so they are enantiomer, they are different diastereomer, but what guys, if they all the chiral center have same configuration but they are differentiating only on the behalf of one chiral center are known as the epimers, and this is the importance of the epimers inside our body. So guys, that's all for the day. I hope you understand, and this is a very important reactions for the multiple chiral center in glucose and compounds of carbohydrate. Thank you.